Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am Ms. Sharmeen Adil, an English teacher from Army Public School and College Faisal. I welcome you all to APSAC's online support program. Today in this English literature lesson, we are going to read our textbook Heidi, and the pages we are going to cover is 14 till 19. In this lesson, we are going to read and comprehend page 14 till 19 of our reader Heidi and learn new vocabulary. So let's begin with a short recap. What we already know about the story. This story is about a little girl Heidi who lived with her aunt Det in a little town near Switzerland. Aunt Det took Heidi to her grandfather's house in the mountains because she had to go to Frankfurt. Heidi was sad because she missed her aunt. Heidi slept in the hayloft. Peter took care of Heidi and gave her goat's milk to drink. After this lesson, you will be able to read and comprehend the text on page 14 till 19 and learn new vocabulary. I want you all to open your readers now, page 14 and 15. Look at the picture carefully. What can you see? Is Heidi still sad? No, she looks happy. She's smiling. She is feeding the goat. There is a little white goat beside Heidi. Heidi looks happy looking after the goats. And here is Peter sitting on a rock. Let's read the text now. Heidi was happy living in the mountains with her grandfather. She liked the trees and flowers, and she liked looking after the goats with Peter. Heidi liked a little white goat the most. She was called Snowflake. So Heidi is now happy in the mountains with her grandfather. She likes the trees and flowers, and she also likes looking after the goats with Peter on the mountains. What she likes the most? She likes the white goat the most. The white goat's name is Snowflake. Yes, Snowflake. Let's look at the new words we have learned here. The first word is trees. T-R-E-E-S. Trees. What are trees? We have all seen trees around us. Yes, here is a picture for your help. A tree is a plant having a trunk and branches full of leaves. Yes. The next word is flowers. F-L-O-W-E-R-S. Flowers. What are flowers? Bright and colorful part of a plant having beautiful smell. Yes, flowers. The next word is snowflake. S-N-O-W, snow. F-L-A-K-E, flake. Snowflake. Who is a snowflake? Yes, the little white goat that Heidi loved is Snowflake. Come to the next page now. Look at the picture again. I can see Heidi sitting here in the picture, and Peter is also here. But who is this lady, this old woman? Who is she? Let's read the text to find out. Sometimes Heidi went to see Peter's grandmother who was blind. There are so many beautiful trees and flowers in the mountains, Heidi told her. Sometimes Heidi went to Peter's grandmother's house. Yes, so who is she? She is Peter's grandmother. And why Heidi is telling her about the trees and flowers? Because she is blind. Do you know what is the meaning of blind? Blind means a person who cannot see. Peter's grandmother cannot see. That's why Heidi is telling her about the beautiful trees and flowers of the mountains. Heidi looks so happy talking about trees and flowers because she herself loves the trees and flowers of the mountains. Now let's look at the vocabulary of this page. The first word is sometimes. S-O-M-E, some. T-I-M-E-S, times. Sometimes. Sometimes means on occasions. On occasions means occasionally, not always. Second word is blind. B-L-I-N-D, blind. Blind means a person unable to see. The next word is beautiful. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L, beautiful. It means attractive. Open page 18-19 of your readers now and look at the picture again. What can you see in the picture? There are three characters in the picture: grandfather, Heidi, and Aunt Det. Oh, she has come back. But why everyone in the picture is so sad? Why they looked worried? Let's read and find out. One day, Aunt Det came back from Frankfurt. Heidi, she said, you must go to school. Where must I go? Asked Heidi. To Frankfurt, said Aunt Det. I have friends who live there. You will stay with them. Oh, so Aunt Det wants Heidi to go with her to Frankfurt. Heidi looks sad because she wants to stay in the mountains with grandfather. Grandfather also wants Heidi to stay in the mountains. Aunt Det said that she has friends there in Frankfurt and Heidi has to go and stay with them. Let's look at the new words here. The first word is school. S-C-H-O-O-L, school. You all know what a school is, yes? School is an institution for educating children. We all miss our school, right? So next word, friends. F-R-I-E-N-D-S, friends. We all have friends, so we know what friends are. Friends are people with whom we have a bond of affection, with whom we share everything. Next word, stay. S-T-A-Y, stay. Stay means to remain in one same place. What we are doing now, we are staying home for our safety and we are missing our school and our friends, right? Come on, let's move to your home assignment. Your home assignment is read the text again and fill in the blanks with words from the story. You have to read the story again before doing these fill in the blanks on your notebooks or loose sheets. The next assignment for you is draw and color the character you like most on A4 size paper. It's your choice, whichever you want to draw. Whichever character is your favorite, you are going to draw that character on an A4 size paper. Color it very neatly, do your work neatly and submit to your teacher on time. I hope the lesson is clear now. Thank you. Take care.